Yes, sir. What's up? It's Mr. Wealth Hack. I'm back with you again. But look, right? Today, I'm going to teach you how to blow. But I'm not going to teach you how to just simply blow. Excuse that. But not how to simply blow. I'm going to teach you how to blow like a pro. But hold on. Not like a pro. I'm going to teach you how to blow like Mills Pro. So listen. I'm going to have one man on a BR 600. That's a steel. I'm gonna have another man on a steel BR 700, and then I'm gonna be on a Billy Goat. That's a ZE 3000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to do it with the crew, basically with the team, right? We're gonna angle everything so we're gonna be blowing a lot of leads. So with these leads, we're gonna angle everything in one direction to keep it to where we're blowing under the cars, all the driveways, the walkways, everywhere, right? We're gonna blow all in one angle. I'm gonna teach you how to blow like Mills Pro. Let's go.
Alright, so check me out. You know your boy had to get on this big boy blower. So the whole objective is we gotta clear this whole entire parking lot with a team. So I'm gonna show y'all how you do it, right? So as I mentioned before, I got one guy on the BR 600 and another one on the BR 700. So one is going to always be on my left side, one is going to always be on my right side. As you can see, the big boy blower, the one that's driving the team, he's going to always stay in the middle. So right here you see that I am trying to clean and blow under the vehicles, right? The main objective is for all of us to get these leads together in the middle, and we're gonna blow them all the way to the back of the parking lot. Basically the woodlands. What is the woodlands? The woodlands is where you basically just see woods where nobody's there. It's basically we're hiding the lead, right? So you see the guy that just walked over to the other side with the other guy, he's basically helping him out because he didn't know what he was doing. He didn't know what he was doing. So he said, okay, I'm gonna help out the team. I'm gonna do it for the team. So you see me, I'm staying in the middle. I'm keeping the leaves, I'm pushing them, trying to keep them all in the same spot, right? As you can see, I'm kind of having a little fun on the blower, but I'm gonna tell you the part that's not fun about it. When the team, when we're not working together, you gotta keep your team on one accord. I promise you. You will catch a headache. So as we're still blowing, trying to clean up all the leaves from under these cars, that does get real challenging because a lot of times, the leaves, they'll hide under the tires. It'll be things that you just can't see. So sometimes you may have to sit the blower under the car, right next to the car, and then just let it blow. But then another thing, that's where the backpacks come in at, because they can go down there, they might get on the ground and get on their knees and blow under the tires. It depends on how dedicated your team is. But we're basically wrapping up, getting out of this section right here, so then we'll go into the middle of the project. Here we are.
Well, I'm telling you, look, you don't even know what you're looking at. I just put a big boy commercial blower in front of your face. If you want to save some time, get your buddy equipment.